Hey folks, this is Raul here at Worldwide RV, the Jayco dealership here in Mesa, Arizona, and today I want to show you an awesome travel trailer, one of our most popular floor plans, the Jayco 21 MML. So the 21 MML, it's a really popular floor plan because even though it's a very compact trailer, 26 feet bump at the hitch, which you'll go, by the way, in any national park, it gives you a lot of room inside based on the floor plan. But first, let me show you some of the things outside. It comes with American-made Goodyear tires with 6-year prorated warranty, self-adjusting electric brakes and easy loop bearings. It has the Climate 4-season shield. You can add a TV outside, which, by the way, this is vacuum bonded fiberglass. Don't have to worry at all about delamination. Has waterproof speakers outside. And like all Jaycos, it's got the Magnum Truss roof system rated for 4,500 pounds. This unit also comes with its own griddle. Really good storage space. Two 30-pound propane tanks. So 60 pounds of propane. And let me show you the inside right now. I think you're really going to like it. Here we are on the inside of the 21 MML. As I was saying, whoever designed this did a really good job. You have theater seating that's right in front of the TV. You have a really nice dinette right next to a really big window. You have the couch that allows for conversation here, group of friends, and then the bed that comes down. Speaking of the bed, you can actually have the slide in with the bed down. Here's some other nice stuff that I really like about this trailer. For example, underneath the bed, you can actually store a real outside table. Waterproof, weatherproof. Also, this unit has the big 15,000 BTU AC, has an Air Max fan standard, inside speakers as well. That's a really nice feature. In fact, it's fully usable with the slide in. The slide out just gives you more room. You can get to the bathroom, you can get to the fridge. Speaking of the fridge, this is new for 2024. The 12-volt fridge opens both sides. You can see well-appointed kitchen with lots of space, lots of storage. Very good pantry in here, deep pantry. This unit also has a really nice bathroom with lots of storage in the bathroom as well. Again, this is Raul here at Worldwide RV, the Jayco dealership in Mesa, Arizona. This unit, the video doesn't do it justice. Come see it in person. I'll be more than happy to show it to you.